So you know the problem. The problem is that find out fast n Fibonacci numbers where the first two numbers of the series are 0 and 1. So the first n Fibonacci numbers, that means we shall have to take n from the keyboard as input from the user. So if the first two numbers are 0 and 1, so the next numbers would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 13. We know that in case of Fibonacci numbers, each and every number is the sum of previous two numbers. So each and every number, if it is 8, it should be the sum of previous two numbers, that is 3 and 5. So how to write this program? So here you are defining the required variables. So n, f1, f2, f3 and I. We are taking input from the keyboard, that is the value of n. f1 is equal to 0 because the first number is 0 as it was told. f2 is equal to 1 as the second number it was told as 1. So we have written this. So you see the f1 will be printed if the value of n supplied by the user is greater than equal to 1. So f1 will get printed. So if n is greater than equal to 2, that means if user is eager to print 2 or more than 2 numbers of the Fibonacci, then in that case I shall be printing f2. But for the rest numbers I shall go for one for loop. So here I am starting I with 3, not with 1, because already two numbers we have printed outside of the for loop. So for I is equal to 3, I less than equal to n and I plus plus. Why it is n? Because we are supposed to print n number of Fibonacci numbers. So f3 is equal to f1 plus f2. I am printing the current value of f3, and second number will be the first number and the third number will be the second number. So f1 is equal to f2 and f2 is equal to f3. Don't write these statements in the other way, in the other sequence, because after putting the current value in f2 in f1, then only the f2 should get updated. Don't write f2 is equal to f3 and then f1 is equal to f2. In that case, obviously the value in f2 will be lost. So f1 is equal to f2 and f2 is equal to f3 I have written. So next time the iteration will take place, and again the new f3 will be calculated after adding f1 and f2, and the value of f3 will get printed. So end of the program will indicate the successful termination of the program itself. So now let me go for the execution, compile and execution. Then please enter the number of terms of the Fibonacci series. I am putting here 10 say. So I am getting this 1 and 0 and 1 first two terms, and then within the for loop I have printed 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. If you go on counting, you are getting 10 such numbers in the Fibonacci series, and in this way the program has got the output. Let me execute the same with the different value of n ones. So I am putting this n is equal to 5 now. So 0, 1 is getting printed outside of the for loop, and then 1, 2, 3 they are getting printed within the for loop. In this way I have got all the 5 numbers in the Fibonacci series getting printed. So I think the thing is getting clear to you. You are getting the logic how we have written this program. It is a very simple program. Please go on typing the same code. Don't copy from the screen. Just remember the code, understand the code, and then go on typing the code yourself, and then execute your program and gain the confidence. Leave your comments below. If you have any kind of doubts and difficulties, please share with us. Thanks for watching this.